Hi friends, now let us see few facts about general entomology. Entomon, it is a Greek word which means insect, and father of entomology is William Kirby. Now coming to the phylogeny, it belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, which in Greek means joint-legged animals. It belongs to the subphylum Hexapoda, which in Latin means six-legged. Insects belong to the class Insecta, which means segmented body, and subclass Pterygotes, which in Greek it means wings. Currently, according to Christensen's classification, there are 33 orders. Christensen's classification is the most recently and widely accepted insect classification. Coming to insect morphology, morphology means study of external structures or physical forms, and father of insect morphology is Snodgrass. Coming to the integument, integument is otherwise known as exoskeleton or body wall, and it is ectodermal in origin. Here, this picture represents the section of insect integument, which comprises of the parts like epicuticle, exocuticle, endocuticle, epidermal epithelium, basement membrane, epidermal cell, glandular cell, trichogen cell, tormogen cell, nerve ending, sensory hair, setae, and glandular pores. And here, wax layer, it comes under epicuticle. It is a part of epicuticle, and wax layer is otherwise known as tectocuticle. It helps in preventing the desiccation loss of water. And exocuticle is made up of two proteins, namely chitin and arthropodin, and endocuticle is made up of chitin and sclerotin. Coming to the cuticle, it is secreted by epidermal layer, and it is having chitin as its major protein, which holds for about 40% dry weight. And chitin, it is a carbohydrate, which is a nitrogenous polysaccharide. Cuticle, it has tanned proticle, namely sclerotin, and untanned protein, which is known as arthropodin, and wing protein, which is known as resilin. Molting. Molting is nothing but the removal of the old cuticle and formation of new cuticle in larvae, and it is done by the hormone ecdysone. The process of molting is otherwise known as ecdysis. The steps involved in ecdysis are, for initially the larva stops feeding and the epidermal cells undergo mitosis. Then it is followed by apolysis, which means separation of the old cuticle, and secretion of inactive molting fluid, production of new cuticle layer, the activation of the molting fluid, which digests and absorbs the old endocuticle. Epidermis, it secretes new procuticle, and then ecdysis occurs, which is nothing but the shedding of old exo and epicuticle. Then the expansion of new integument occurs, and tanning and sclerotization of new exocuticle begins. Now coming to the insect body, it has three tagmas, namely head, thorax, and abdomen. Head is otherwise known as, it is otherwise called the cephalic region, which holds of about 6 segments, 5 sclerites, and 4 sutures, which is otherwise known as sulcus. Neck of insect is known as cervix, and the head capsule, which without appendages, is called as cranium, and the endoskeleton of head capsule, which provides area for muscle attachment, is known as tentorium. The appendages of head are ocelli, compoundice, antenna, and mouthparts. Types of compoundice. There are many different types of compoundice, and the individual units of compoundice are called as ommatidium. The apposition eyes are found in diurnal insects, and superposition eyes are found in nocturnal and crepuscular insects. Lateral ocelli, it is found in holometabolous larvae, that is the caterpillars, and the dorsal ocelli, it is found in nymphs. Types of head orientation. Prognathes, it is nothing but the orientation of the head. It faces, the mouth part faces forward, and it is otherwise known as coleopteroid type. It is mainly found in stick insect and ground beetle. Hypognathus, in which the mouth part, it faces down, and it is otherwise called as orthopteroid type. Example, grasshopper, cockroach. Opistognathus, in which the mouth part is pointed backward, which is otherwise known as hemipteroid type or Opisthorhynchus type. Example, bugs. Types of mouthpart. Biting and chewing type of mouthpart is found in cockroach and grasshopper. Piercing, sucking, piercing and sucking, that is bug type, which is called as hemipterous mouthpart. It is found in bugs. Piercing and sucking dipterous type is found in female mosquito. And chewing and lapping type of mouthpart is found in honeybee. Rasping and sucking in thrips. Mandibulosectorial type in antlion grub. Sponging type in housefly. Siphoning type in moths and butterflies. Types of antenna. The main point to be remembered is that antenna is innervated by cerebrum, and there are different types of antenna as follows. Antenna, it is normally three segmented, and the first segment is known as scape, second is known as pedicel, and third is known as flagellum. Antenna, it is absent in protura, and Johnson organ, it is an chordotonal organ which is used as a sense organ, which is found in pedicel, that is the second antennal segment. And Johnston's organ, it is absent in columbola and diplura. Coming to the types, cetaceous antenna, it is found in leafhopper, dragonfly, and damselfly. Filiform antenna is found in grasshopper. Moniliform antenna, that is bead-like, it is found in termites. Serrate antenna is found in longicorn beetle. Unipectinate antenna is found in sawfly. Bipectinate antenna, it is found in silkworm moth. Clavate type is found in blister beetle. Capitate type is found in butterfly. Lamellate type is found in lamelicorn beetle. Aristate type is found in housefly. Stylate in horsefly and robberfly. Plumose type of antenna, it is found in male mosquito. And pilose type of antenna is found in female mosquito. In order to remember this, for male mosquito, we have to write plumose antenna, in which we have the word letter M, which indicates male. And pilose antenna, it is in female mosquito. Geniculate type of antenna, it is found in ant, weevil, and honeybee. Coming to thorax, thorax is three segmented, which are namely prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. And all the thoracic region, it bears legs. Pterothorax, it is a combination of mesothorax and metathorax, in which the wings arise. The dorsal region of thorax is, that is the dorsal sclerite, is known as notum. Ventral sclerite is known as sternum, and the lateral sclerite is known as pleuron. And coming to the legs, legs are five segmented, and they are coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, and tarsus. And pretarsus is a part of leg, and it is not normally considered as a segment. Coming to the types of legs, first one is ambulatorial, which means walking, that is found in foreleg and middle leg of grasshopper. Cursorial type, that is running leg, which is found in all the three thorax of cockroach. All the legs of cockroach are modified into running type. And saltatorial, which means jumping, that is hind leg of grasshopper. And also in fleas, scansorial, or climbing or clinging legs, or that is all the legs of head louse. Fossorial type, which means digging or burrowing, it is found in four legs of mole cricket. Raptorial, predatory or grasping, it is found in four legs of praying mantids. Natatorial or swimming, that is the hind legs of water bug and water beetle. Sticking, that is all legs of housefly. Basket type is found in the legs of dragonfly and damselfly, which helps in aerial pest capture. And clasping leg is found in four legs of the male water beetle. Forageal or collecting food material, it is modification of leg in a honeybee. And individual legs are involved in individual works. Forelegs are used as eye brush, antenna cleaner, and pollen brush, whereas middle legs are used as pollen brush and tibial spur, whereas the hind legs, it has a major function, which is the pollen collection through the pollen basket. Pollen basket is otherwise known as corbicula, and the pollen basket is filled by a structure called pollen packer or pollen press, and pollen comb, which is used to clear the body parts, which the pollen from the which are stuck to the body parts. And coming to the prolegs are nothing but the abdominal legs which are found only during the immature stages, and they shed off during the last molt. And the tip of the prolegs are called as planta, and the planta bears crotchets which helps in clinging or crawling to the surface. And prolegs are the number of prolegs vary from 2 to 5 pairs in all the lepidopteran insects, and in sawfly it is 2 to 8 in number, but crotchets are absent in sawfly, whereas in noctuids or semiloopers the crotchets are semicircular, whereas in other insects, the crotchets are circular. Coming to wings. Wings are nothing but the unicellular outgrowth of the body wall, and they are triangular in shape with 3 margins and 3 angles. The 3 margins are the costal margin, that is the anterior margin, apical margin, and the anal margin. Anal margin is the posterior margin, and angles, the angle between costal margin and the apical margin is known as apical angle, and the angle between apical margin and anal margin is known as anal angle, and the angle between the anal margin and the coastal margin, it is known as humeral angle. And wings are found only in pterygotes, and especially in the adult stage. And primitive insects such as silverfish and springtails, they do not have any wings, and they are known as apteres. Head louse and poultry louse, flea, etc., they are secondly wingless. And deciduous wings, that is the wings which can shed at the humeral angle, are found in ants and termites. They usually shed their wing at the humeral angle during reproduction. And one pair of wings in Diptera and Strepsiptera, and in Diptera, 4 wings are present, whereas the hind wings are absent. In Strepsiptera, 4 wings are they are converted into, they are modified into halteres, whereas hind wings are ear-like. 2 pairs of wings are found in all the other insects. The wing types. Tegmina is a type of wing in which the wing looks like leather, and it is found in 4 wings of cockroach and grasshopper. Elytra, it is the toughest wing type, and it is found in 4 wings of beetles and weevils. Hemielytra is found in the 4 wings of heteropteran bugs. Halteres are found in the true insects in and also in Strepsiptera. The 4 wings of Strepsiptera are converted into halteres, whereas the hind wings of true flies are converted into halteres. Haltere is also found in male scale insect which belongs to Hemiptera, and fringed wings are found in trits. Scaly wings are found in butterflies and moths. Membranous wings are found in 4 wings of true flies and hind wings of grasshopper, cockroach, beetles, and earwigs, and both the 4 wings and hind wings of wasps, bees, dragonflies, and damselflies. Coming to wing coupling mechanism, it is absent in paniopteran insects such as dragonfly and damselfly. And hamlet type of wing coupling is found in bees. Amplexiform is found in butterflies. And frenate, in frenate we have 2 main divisions, that is male frenate and female frenate. Male frenate is found in male fruit sucking moths, and female frenate is found in female fruit sucking moths. Jugate type of wing coupling is found in haplioid moths. And coming to abdomen, abdomen is 11 segmented, and it is connected by a tissue called conjunctiva. And male genital structure is found in 9th segment, and female genital structure is found in 8th and 9th segment. The dorsal region of dorsal sclerate is known as sternum, and the ventral sclerate is known as sternum. And coming to the abdominal structure, styly is the abdominal structure which is found in silverfish, which helps in locomotion. And colophore, retinaculum, and furcula are found in columbola. Tracheal gills are found mostly in the aquatic immature insects. And Anal papillae are found in mosquito larvae. Dolichosters are found in ant-lion grub. And prolix are found in larvae of moth, butterfly, and softfly. Mead and caudal filament, it is found in mayfly. Phygostyles, that is found in squalid wasp. Anal style is found in male cockroach, and it gives the differentiation by morphological difference between the male and the female cockroach. And cornicles are found in the aphid on the fifth abdominal segment. Caudal breathing tube, it is found in water scorpion. Now coming to cerci. Cerci, they are the structures which are found at the tip of the abdomen, and they are modified into different types in different insects. They are long and many segmented in mayfly. They are long and unsegmented in crickets. They are short and many segmented in cockroach. They are short and unsegmented in grasshopper. Sclerotized and forceps like in earwigs, and the asymmetrical cerci is found in male embids. Ovipositors. Ovipositors are nothing but the egg-laying apparatus which are found only in the female insects. The ovipositors are short and horny in short-horned grasshoppers, long and sword in katydids and long-horned grasshoppers, and they are needle-like in crickets. And ovipositor is modified into sting in worker honeybees. Pseudo-ovipositor, it is not a true ovipositor, but the abdominal segments, they form a ovipositor-like structure, which is otherwise known as ovitubus or oviscapt in housefly. And male genitalia in dragonfly and damselfly, the functional copulator organ is found in the second abdominal segment, and it is the abdominal modification of dragonfly and damselfly. Coming to physiology, father of insect physiology is Wigglesworth, and insect anatomy means the study of internal organs of insects, whereas the functions of different systems are studied in insect physiology. Coming to digestive system, filter chamber, it is mostly present in homopteran insects, which helps in short circuit of the excess water. Digestive system, it has three parts. The alimentary canal is divided into three parts, namely foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut and hindgut are ectodermal, whereas the midgut is endodermal, and midgut is otherwise known as mesentron. And there is a region called proventriculus or gizzard, in which in different insects the gizzard bears lips or the teeth, which helps in the sieving or breakage of food. And salivary glands are two pairs, and peritrophic membrane, it is found only in solid feeders in order to prevent the damage to the midgut. And gastric caeca or hepatic caeca or enteric caeca, it helps in enzyme secretion for digestion. Foregut, it starts from mouth, and it ends in proventriculus or gizzard. And midgut, it starts from the stomoidal valve and ends at the junction junction where the Malpighian tubules are attached, and from ileum to anus, it represents the hindgut. Excretory system. Malpighian tubules are the major excretory organs which are found in insects, and it was discovered by Marcello Malpighi. It helps in solid regulation and excretion. The number of Malpighian tubules, it varies, such as 0 in aphids and columbola, 2 in scales, 4 in bugs, 5 in mosquitoes, 6 in butterflies, 60 in cockroaches, and 200 in locusts. It also helps in different functions such as spittle secretion in spittlebugs, light production in Boletophila, and silk production in larval Neuroptera. Other excretory organs involve nephrocytes, fat bodies, enocytes, integuments, trachea, and rectum. And chloride cells are the special cells helps in excretion in dragonfly and damselfly. And terrestrial insects, they excrete uric acids, and hence the excretion process is known as uricotylism, whereas aquatic insects, it is known as ammonotylism, wherein they excrete ammonia. Cryptonephry, it is the condition in which the distal end of the Malpighian tubule is in contact with the rectal wall by a perinephric membrane. Thereby, there is a fast, quicker elimination of excess water. And coming to respiratory system, the major structure which helps in respiration is the spiracle, which the opening and the closing of spiracle, it helps in the inhalation and exhalation. And it is passed through the trachea, and the trachea is further divided into tracheoles, and uh, which give aeration to the tissues. The types of respiratory system is based on the number of functional spiracles, and normally there are two in the thoracic, two pairs of spiracles in the thoracic region and 8 pairs of abdominal spiracles. But in many insects they are modified. uh, 2 plus 8, that is 2 thoracic and 8 abdominal functional spiracles are found in the primitive grasshoppers. It is known as holomneustic respiration, and hemineustic is found in many insects, and in hemineustic 1 or 2 spiracles may be non-functional. Perineustic is found in caterpillars. Ampineustic is found in maggots. Proneustic is found in piparium, and metaneustic is found in wrigglers. Hyponeustic is found in headlouse, and aneustic is found in naiads of mayfly and other aquatic insects. Coming to closed tracheal system, closed tracheal system is mostly found in aquatic naiads such as mayfly naiad, damselfly naiad, and dragonfly naiad. Open tracheal system, in this air store is it is air bubble which is stored under the wings of water bug. And respiratory siphon, it is found in wriggler, that is the metaneustic respiration. Caudal breathing tube is a special respiratory structure found in water scorpion. Coming to circulatory system, the circulatory system, it helps in the that passage of hemolymph throughout the insect body, and through this inorganic ions which are present in hemolymph of predators and parasites or sodium, and in phytophagus magnesium and potassium are predominantly present. Carbohydrate is the major sugar which is present in the hemolymph is trehalose, and the major function of hemolymph in aphid is the reflex bleeding, which in order to protect the aphid from the predators. And plasmatocyte, it is otherwise known as phagocyte, which helps in phagocytosis, and cystocyte, which is otherwise known as coagulocyte, it helps in blood coagulation. Coming to the nervous system, the basic component of nervous system is the nerve cell or neuron. Based on the structural differentiation, the neurons are divided, they are classified into 3 types, that is monopolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Monopolar neurons are the neurons with single axon, and bipolar neurons are with proximal axon and a dendrite, and multipolar neurons are with proximal axon and many dendrites. According to based on this functional functions, it is classified into sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneuron. Sensory neuron, it is a neuron which conduct stimuli from the sense organs to the central nervous system. Motor neuron is from the central nervous system to the effector organs, and interneuron, it is the association neuron which interlinks the sensory and motor neurons. And enzyme involved in nervous system, that is impulse transmission, is acetylcholine esterase, whereas the neurotransmitter is that is the chemical involved is acetylcholine. Coming to the central nervous system, it consists of double series of nerve centers, that is nerve centers are known as ganglion, and brain is the first fusion of first 3 cephalic neuromeres, and it is the controlling center of the entire insect behavior. And brain is divided into protocerebrum, deuterocerebrum, and tritocerebrum. Protocerebrum, it innervates the compound eyes and ocelli, whereas deuterocerebrum, it innervates antenna. Tritocerebrum innervates the labrum. We're coming to ventral nerve cord. It is a median chain of segmental ganglion which is found beneath the esophagus. Subesophageal ganglion, it is formed from by the fusion of last 3 cephalic neuromeres, and it innervates mandibles, maxillae, and labium. Thoracic ganglion, it is the largest ganglion found in insect, and it innervates the legs and muscles. Abdominal ganglion, it is 8 pairs and innervates the spiracles. Thoraco-abdominal ganglion, it is the fusion of both thoracic and abdominal ganglion, and it innervates the genital organs and cerci. Coming to the sense organs, mechanoreceptor, they detect the mechanical forces. Auditory receptors, they detect the sound waves. Chemoreceptors, they detect the smell in case of olfactory receptors, and taste in case of gustatory receptors. Thermoreceptors detect the heat, and photoreceptor, they detect light energy. Reproductive system, when abdominal individuals with secondary sexual characters of both male and female, that is, it may be a male but it has secondary sexual characters of a female, then the such type of insects are named as gynandromorph or sexual mosaic. It is otherwise called as sexual mosaic, and example of this is mutant drosophila. Hermaphrodite, it is a organism in which both male and female gonads are present. Example, cottony cushion scale, that is Eiseria purchasei. And coming to the male and female reproductive system, the male reproductive system, it includes the testis, accessory glands, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, and edicus. And the female reproductive system, it includes ovarial ligament, ovary, lateral oviduct, common oviduct, spermatheca, accessory gland, and vagina. Coming to the types of reproduction, reproduction may be classified into oviparity, viviparity, parthenogenesis, pedogenesis, and polyembryony. Oviparity is found mostly in egg-laying insects, that is headlouse, moths, etc. Viviparity is again classified into ovoviviparity, pseudoplacental viviparity, hemocoelous viviparity, anotrophic viviparity. And parthenogenesis, based on the occurrence, it is of facultative or obligatory or cyclic. Facultative is found in bees, obligatory is found in stick insect, and cyclic is found in aphid. Based on the sex produce, the Arenotoki, Teletoki, and Amphitoki. Arenotoki, it produces only male, and example bee. Teletoki, it produces only female, that is aphids, and Amphitoki, it produces both male and female. Polyembryony. Polyembryony is found mostly in the parasitic insects. Such example of such polyembryonous insect is Platygastra. Pedogenesis. Pedogenesis is the reproduction by the immature stages of insects. The larval pedogenesis is found in Galmigia. The pupal pedogenesis is found in a insect called Measter species. Coming to glandular system, there are many two types of glands, namely exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands are the glands which are connected with the duct, and endocrine glands do not possess such ducts. Exocrine glands are pheromone glands, sting glands, wax glands, sting glands, lag glands, milk glands, and salivary glands, mandibular glands, pharyngeal glands, frontal glands, cetal glands, molting glands, osmotoria, that is the forked gland, androgonia, which are found only in the male butterflies. And endocrine glands are neurosecretory cells, corpora cardiaca, corpora allata, which secretes juvenile hormone, prothoracic gland, which secretes the molting hormone, and Weismann ring, which is most commonly found in cycloraphan dipteran maggots. Coming to metamorphosis, metamorphosis is the change in the morphology of insect from the egg until the adult emergence. And ametabola, that is no metamorphosis, all the stages remain similar, that is only the size of an insect increases throughout the stage, namely silverfish. Hemimetabola, it means incomplete metamorphosis. In this, the naiads are different from adults both in habit and habitat, that is, the naiads are aquatic in nature, whereas the adults are aerial in nature. Example of this are dragonfly, damselfly, and mayfly. Parametabola, in this both the adults and nymphs, here in this case we call them as nymphs, and they share the same habitat, and example of them are cockroach, grasshopper, and bugs. Holometabola, it has the pupal stage in between the larval and the adult stage, and it is a complete metamorphosis which is found in all the all other insects such as butterfly, moths, flies, and bees. Coming to the egg, larval, and pupal stages, egg stage is inconspicuous, inexpensive, and inactive stage, and it is covered by a protective layer called chorion with a small opening called micropyle through which sperm enters. The different types of eggs which are found are pedicellate eggs in green lacewing fly, barrel-shaped eggs in sting bug, utica in case of cockroach, egg pod in case of grasshopper, egg case in case of mantids. Egg mass is found mostly in moths, and each egg mass is in case of silkworm, it is known as DFL, that is disease free layings, which are found in which are found, having commercial value. And egg graft is known as it is called in Culex mosquito egg, it is known as egg graft. And larval stage is the active growing stage. And oligopod larvae, polypod larvae and apodous larvae are the different classifications. And oligopod larvae, in this the compodiform larvae and scarabiform larvae. Compodiform larvae, it has a straight body, whereas in scarabiform larvae it has a curved body. In both the larvae they have legs only in their thoracic region. The example of compodiform larvae are grub of antlion and ladybird beetle, whereas scarabiform larvae is grub of rhinoceros beetle. In polypod larvae, they will have legs, that is prolegs in the abdominal segments, and the true legs in the thoracic region. Examples are hairy caterpillar, slug caterpillars, which is otherwise known as platiform larvae, semilupus and lupus. Apodous are the larvae without legs, and they are eucephalus, hemicephalus, acephalus. Eucephalus are wrigglers, hemicephalus are larvae of housefly and roverfly, and acephalus are the maggots, that is the larvae of housefly. Pupa is the resting and the inactive stage, and there are different types of pupa such as optic pupa, exarate pupa, and coarctate pupa. Optic pupa, it includes chrysalis and tumbler, whereas exarate pupa, it is a pupa of rhinoceros beetle, and coarctate pupa is the puparium, that is a fly pupa. Coming to taxonomy, insect orders, according to the IMS classification, which is studied till date, but now recently Christensen's classification is mostly preferred. But as we don't have such familiar, we are not such familiar with the Christensen's classification, we'll go with the IMS classification. Coming to there are 29 orders with in which Thysanura, silverfish, Columbola, springtails, and Protura and Diplura, they belong to apterygotes, and all other belongs to pterygotes. Coming to the pests or crops, the pests can be divided into monophagous, oligophagous, and polyphagous pests. And monophagous pests are the examples of monophagous pests are rice, yellow stem borer, mango hoppers, mango nut weevil, banana pseudostem borer, banana rhizome weevil, and coffee berry borer. Coming to the oligophagous pests, master sawfly, diamond back moth, Colorado potato beetle. Coming to the polyphagous pests, locust, American bollworm, termite, tobacco caterpillar, red hairy caterpillar, and Viviscia tabaci. Coming to the recent invasive pest, Rugus spiraling whitefly, it is a recent invasive pest which had its invasion during 2016, and followed by it is during 2018 by fall armyworm. By 2019 we have with three invasive pests, namely Bondas Snisli pests. In rice, yellow stem borer, it causes dead heart during vegetative stage, and white hair during heading stage. Brown plant hopper, that it causes hopper burn. And rice green leaf hopper, it spreads rice tumoro virus. Sorghum shoot fly, it causes dead heart. Sorghum stem borer, if the dead heart is within 1 month of sowing, it is due to shoot fly, and if it is after 1 month of sowing, it is due to stem borer. And ragi pink borer, it causes dead heart in ragi. Wheat gujia weevil, it is a specific pest of wheat. Termite, which is the most important pest of wheat. Sugarcane early shoot borer, it causes dead heart in sugarcane. Top shoot borer, it causes bunchy top symptoms. Cotton spiny and spotted bollworm, it causes flaring up of bracts. Pink bollworm causes roseated flower and double seeds. Stem weevil, swellings of the stem near the ground. And pulse leaf hoppers, that causes hopper burn symptom. Apis crassivora, it is a vector of rosette disease in groundnut. Whitefly, it is a vector of most of the pulse mosaic. And thrips is a vector of groundnut ring spot virus. Tomato whitefly, Bemisia tabaci, it is a vector of leaf curl disease of tomato. And coming to the institutes and years, Plant Quarantine Act was passed during 1912. Restrictive Insects and Pests Act was passed during 1914. Locust Warning Organization is situated at Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and it was established during the year 1939. Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. It is established during 1946 at Faridabad. Insecticide Act was enacted during 1968 and it came into force during 1971. Plant Quarantine Order was passed during 2003. A National Institute of Plant Health Management is situated at Hyderabad. Institute of Pesticide Formulation Technology is situated at Gurgaon, and it is now called as Gurugram. National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Research is situated in Bangalore. National Center for Integrated Pest Management, it is situated at New Delhi. Coming to the pesticides, biopesticides are obtained from other microorganisms other than the chemicals. They are example bacteria, virus, fungi, and nematodes. And example of such biopesticides are BT, NPVs, Metarhizium fungi, etc. And highest pesticide consuming state is Maharashtra, and highest pesticide consuming crop is paddy. And the list of 27 recently banned pesticides is given below. It was banned during 2020. They are 2,4-D, acephate, atrazine, benfuracar, butachlor, captan, carbendazim, carbofuran, chlorpyrifos, deltamethrin, dicofol, dimethoate, dinocap, diuron, malathion, mancozeb, methimil, methomil, monocrotophos, oxyfluorphen, pendimethalin, quinolphos, sulfosulfuron, thiodicarb, thiophenate, methyl, thiram, and Ziram. Coming to apiculture, father of American beekeeping is Langstroth, father of bee dance is Carl von Frisch, and father of modern beekeeping in India is Atwell. Most commercially used bee species in India is Apis mellifera, which is the European and Italian bee, which are the domesticated. The domesticated bee species are Indian bee, European bee, and the damer bee. Rock bees are very difficult to rear because they are ferocious in nature, and sting is a modified ovipositor of a worker bee. An invertase enzyme helps in the conversion of nectar to honey. Melittin is a chemical which is found in bee venom. And in a colony, there will be a single queen, hundreds of drones, and thousands of workers. Queen is the fertile female, whereas drone is the fertile male, and workers are sterile female. Queen substance helps in the colony maintenance, and queen substance is produced by the queen. It is produced by the mandibular glands of the queen. Excess honey is stored in the brood chamber, and bee bread is a mixture of pollen and honey. Royal jelly is produced, it is secreted from pharyngeal gland. Altruism, it is the cell death of the honeybee, which occurs in order to save its own colony. And CCD means colony collapse disorder, which is due to the huge consumption of neonicotinoid insecticides. And a social insect, it is a eusocial insect, and it has the division of labor. Ripe honey, it is has a closed cap, whereas unripe honey do not have closed cap, and it is otherwise known as green honey. And the largest bee species is Apis laboriosa, which is the Himalayan bee. And coming to sericulture, silk was first discovered in China. Dupion silk is obtained from the double cocoon. Denier, it denotes the thickness of the filament, and oozifly is a pest of silkworm. Stifling is used to kill the pupae, and a central silk board is located at Bangalore. Central Tazas Research and Training Institute, it is located at Ranchi. Central Muga Eri Research and Training Institute is located at Tikibar, Assam. Central Sericulture Research and Training Institute is situated at Mysore. Golden cocoon is produced by Muga silkworm, and brick red color cocoon is produced by Eri silkworm. The highest silk producer in the world is China, whereas in India it is Karnataka. Silk is produced by modified salivary glands, and the cultivation of mulberry leaves for Bombyx mori is known as moriculture. And coming to lac culture, scientific name of lac insect is known as Lacifera lacca, and Rangini Strait produces about 90% of lac, whereas Kusumi produce 10% of lac. Lac insect undergoes 2 generations per year, and it is lac is produced by only female insects and their nymphs. And the type of reproduction in lac is ovoviviparous, and lac in production occurs all over the body except the mouth parts, breathing pores, and the anus. Emergence of nymph in lac culture is known as swarming, and lac is marketed as shellac. Percentage of resin in lac is 68 to 70%, and Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums is situated at Ranchi. Eublema amabilis, it is a pest of lac.